Winner, winner, chicken dinner! Naghahanap ba kayo ng authentic Korean restaurant? Subukan ninyo itong binabalik-balikan naming mga chicken nila na mapapamore ka every bite. This is Boom Chicken located at Koreatown, Friendship Highway, Angeles City, Pampanga. At meron din silang branch sa Barangay Kutkut, Angeles City. Open sila daily from 11 a.m. to 12 midnight. Gusto ko yung pagka-rustic ng interior design kaya napaka-cozy and relaxing nito. Nagsaserve sila ng chicken with a wide variety of parts and flavors. Meron din silang side menu tulad ng kimchi soup, roast tteokbokki, pork cutlet, iba't ibang klase ng waffle, drinks at marami pang iba. Nag-order kami nitong favorite naming pork kimchi soup. Generous yung serving, napakasarap ng pagka-blend ng hang sourness ng sabaw dahil sa kimchi plus yung lambot ng tofu and pork kaya napaka-comforting talaga. Itong chicken wings, spices with flavor nila. Mafe-feel mo yung kick nung saktong anghang at lalo kang mapapagana dahil